Hi guys, for no particular reason other than I've just been up in my workroom and spotted this one laying in the pile. We're going to give it a little run. I've given it a few runs over the years. It's a rubber band powered, gear driven car. Originally number 0151 in my put a rubber band on it files. January 22nd, 2019. So that makes it about 6 years old, doesn't it? The gears, they're cut from hardboard, I think you could call it. It's not plywood. Hardboard, sort of cardboardy stuff. And I spent a long time cutting it out. That's all manually cut out. I used, I can't remember what the program is, but I'll put a link in the video description to actually design the gears. And then I printed them in paper, stuck them to the hardboard, and then cut them out. And then round the edges where it's darker, that's where I've used super glue to actually stiffen up the surface so it lasts longer. Well, I mean, it hasn't been in continuous use for 6 years, but it's still survived after 6 years. The body is just cardboard, thick cardboard. Back in the days when I used to spray paint things all the time because spray paint was cheap in Poundland. So what I'm going to do is put some rubber bands on it and run it up and down in the kitchen as usual. I think I ran it either last year or the year before as a update or a revisit. The gears do stick a little bit sometimes. It does have rather a nice noise it makes as it goes along because they're clicky gears. And I am looking at the possibility of 3D printing the same gears, so we can try and make a 3D printable version. Anyway, I'll put some rubber bands on it. I'll probably stick a camera on top of it and we'll give it a run up and down. Okay, got the GoPro on there. I think we can get wheel spin. Oh yeah. Oh dear. I put extra rubber bands on. Didn't know how much power it needed. Okay, we'll try it with less power. Might have to put rubber tyres on it. We'll put some weight on it. Ready? And off we go. Well, I have to admit, I'd forgotten how poor the grip was. So I had to add quite a bit of weight there just to stop the back wheel spinning. I think I'm using much stronger rubber bands anyway, so I'm probably putting more power on it than it was expecting. But yeah, that one still works. And we got a bit of GoPro footage on it to have a look at.